welcome back. I am Phil the True Tech Dad, and today I'm going to unbox a mouse pad by Razer, and it is the Firefly. I know you're thinking, hey, we've seen the Firefly before, but no, this is actually different. The one that you saw was just a hard Firefly. This one is actually covered with cloth. Yeah, I know. It's a little bit nicer. The other one was just more, you know, you had the mouse rolling over. It's like, but this one is actually nice. It's a cloth. Should move a lot smoother over, you know, with the mouse and everything. But it also still has the light up LEDs on the bottom here, so you can actually still see the different colors once you plug it in to your computer. So we're gonna unbox this and see how it looks inside. Hopefully it's a lot smoother, it's a lot quieter than the previous one. So I'm gonna unbox this, and should have a little. I should need my trusty unboxing knife for this. But yeah, nope, it's got a little plastic pull hard here. Okay, that's pretty heavy. That's pretty hard. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a little easier than that. Come on, put some elbow. There we go. Hope my wife don't see me do that. But let's go ahead and do this. Ugh. Alright, there we go. Flip it back over. There we go. Alright. Usual paperwork from Razer. And congratulations, no turning back now. So this is it. This is, oh yeah, it is. This is it. This still feels really, nice. Yeah, really nice. They have a good job, Razer. Y'all did a good job here. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Let's see what else here. You got your usual booklet. Stickers. I like the stickers. Yeah, yeah. Paperwork, you know, reading material. Nothing else should be in here. Unless they want to, Razer, you want to send me a new, you know, new mouse or anything. But hey, you know, this isn't, and this is not sponsored by Razer at all. I just like Razer products, and especially the mouse pad. I like how it lights up. But this is it. It's still got the, it's got the Razer logo here. I'm pretty sure this lights up, so it should. If it doesn't, I'll let you know. I'm going to do a review on this one also. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll try to get to you as fast as I can. This is it. We're going to plug this up and get it working. I will do a review on this pretty soon. And if you have any questions on it, just ask me. But this is the Razer Firefly Cloth Edition. I didn't even know they sold these. My wife found this, and she pretty much finds a lot of things for me to get on here and unbox. But she uses most of them also. She loves them. These also, they work on the Mac very well. They look, you know, with our Mac, our whole desk setup is actually pretty nice with the Razer products. But we enjoy them very much. And this is just the unboxing of my Razer Firefly Cloth Edition. If you have any questions, again, leave a comment, press that like button, and if you're new, please subscribe. And share this, please. Need some more people to come follow me, and so I can get more information out there. So thanks for watching. I am Phil the True Tech Dad, and we'll see you next time.